made a full pass, but he didn't.
Oh, you got a little separation on that tomorrow.
He could have made a full one, but he didn't. All right, y'all, we got Candyman coming up, y'all. Who else I need to make a moderator on my TikTok? I got anybody that's all the way subscribed to me. Hey, for the people that want to check it out on their TV, I'm live on YouTube. Check out my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Yeah, I need somebody that's on. Full pass or no full pass, y'all. Choose the left lane for no full pass, right lane for full pass. It's a real nice Camaro. This is my boy too, y'all. Go by the name of Candyman. Okay, that was a full pass, y'all. The internet has picked incorrectly. TikTok, you have picked incorrectly. Y'all thought he wasn't gonna make a full pass, but he did. In fact, he did. Brandon Hopper said half his nitrous bottle gone. Get it, baby. Hey, what can the moderators do on, he say appreciate the mod already, man. What can you do since you a mod, man? What kind of power did I give you? And or what you gonna be doing? Oh, we got somebody from Amsterdam. What's up, man? OJ No Simpson with the juice. What's up with it? Oh, just block and mute. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you could do something. That's it. I thought they could do something else. I'm thinking I'm giving y'all a job or something. I'm thinking y'all could press interact and have a poll going. Make sure the live straight and not negative. I already bet I need some live police. You now know somebody from Lake Providence, Louisiana. Hey, what's up with it? Lake Providence, Louisiana. Uh-oh. Whoa, hey! What the hell he got in that car? Man, they ain't ran this car since 1960s.
Real estate, you know, like a little dirt track racing.
Oh,
I like
they.
dirt track racing too.
Oh, he bought the car out of it from somebody that was dirt tracking. One of his buddies. Damn, they got bugs and shit flying in the man, he got bugs living in that car. That bug right there. Where he go? I can't find him no more.
Like I said, guys,
Yeah, he got bugs and everything. Where he go?
Tonight to go with the drag racing, so hey.
Damn. I just seen the bug. He must could fly. I don't know what did happen. Damn, he done bought the car out the dirt track. One of his homeboys was dirt tracking. He done bought it. He gave him a good deal. And he knew the times was going up. He went and capitalized on it. Then he bought a motor from his buddy. Gave him a low price because his buddy had upgraded. And then he sold him the old motor for cheap. Yeah. And then the other dude bought a motor and transmission. And that's how he ended up with it. He ain't never, this his first time being at the track. And you know what? The whole time he was on the track, he was sandbagging. Yeah, he was sandbagging, y'all. I told you, this is why you don't need the sandbag when you go to the track. Because you end up leaking it on the track.